Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and today we're going to do probably one of the most requested videos from you guys, which is how to play Bluetooth music in the Audi S8. So my S8 is a 2007, so it has the older AMI connection in the glove box. It has a 30-pin cable that connects to your older iPods and iPhones from Apple. So today we're going to be using the Car Pro by Coolstream. It is quite simply just a Bluetooth adapter that plugs into that 30-pin connection on those older iPods or iPhones. You will find that in the glove box of the S8. I'm not sure if it's in different places in other cars, but I know that it was used by Audi and Volkswagen. I chose this one specifically because it says right on it that it is for Bluetooth receiver for Audi Volkswagen iPod cable. So I will put a link to this Bluetooth adapter in the description down below. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and use that link to just click right on over to Amazon and pick one up for yourself. But let's hop down into the car. I'll show you the AMI cable in the glove box. We'll plug it in, set it up, and hopefully we'll play some music from my iPhone in my S8 for the first time ever. All right, so like I mentioned, the AMI cable for the S8 is in the glove box here. It's up here on this tray. It's got a cute little cell phone tray or iPod tray. And then the cable's up here. So my car actually came with this 30-pin to lightning adapter. It works okay. It's a bit finicky to get it to work. And it's just not practical because I don't have an iPod to plug into it and I don't want to leave my phone in the glove box. So it's just not practical to use. So we're going to go ahead and unplug that adapter here. And then we're going to open up the Coolstream box here. So what comes in the package is obviously the adapter here in this nice little foam block. And then it also comes with the connection instructions. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the AMI cable and we're going to plug it directly into the Bluetooth adapter. So there we go. We got it plugged in here. Once you get it plugged in, you can go ahead and turn the ignition on. So once you do that, the Bluetooth should automatically power up when you power the car. So it's going to blink blue at first. That means it's ready for pairing. Once it starts blinking blue, we're going to go into the settings on my iPhone. We're going to go into Bluetooth, and we should be able to see down here. There it is. It just turned to Car Pro right there. So we're going to click on Car Pro. Then it should bring up an option for you to put in the pin. The pin is a super secret pin, which is 0000. We're going to hit pair. There we go. It says we're connected. Once it's connected to your phone, the indicator light should be solid blue, and it should automatically connect to your phone every time it powers on with the ignition for the car. So the final thing to do here is go ahead and try to play some music from my iPhone over the Bluetooth adapter. So we're going to go ahead and tuck that away in there. Alright, so I just pulled up a little Pandora on my iPhone here. It connected right to the system after pushing this CD aux button. One thing I'm noticing here is if I pause it, it just starts again on its own. So that's kind of interesting. The controls are a little funky, but because like I said here, if I hit pause, it just starts back up again on its own. So let's turn off the All-American rejects here so we don't get any copyright strikes. So as far as using Pandora goes, it connects up just fine. Just looks like you can't pause the music. So I might try jumping over to some songs that I have directly on my phone here. It might just be a funky interface with the Pandora app. We're just gonna go ahead and open up the regular music app here. Right, so here I just pulled up a little Green Day on my phone. We'll see if the pause works any better on the iPhone music here. same thing. Go and pause it, pauses for a few seconds, then restarts playing again. All right, so well, there you have it. That's probably the cheapest and easiest way to get Bluetooth audio on your older AMI systems like my Audi S8 has. But so the controls are a little funky. Obviously you push pause and it only pauses for a few seconds and starts playing again. But with that being said, I'm gonna play around with it some more and see if I can't figure it out a little bit more. It connected up just fine. Immediately after hitting the auxiliary button, it connected right to my phone. So I'm really pleased with that. If you wanna switch off of the Bluetooth mode, you just switch it back over to the FM station and you're good to go. So like I said, if you guys are interested in that adapter, I will have a link for it in the description down below. Seems to work just fine. Audio sounds pretty clear. I'll try to update you guys in the future to give you a little more of my experience once I have a chance to get to use it a little bit more. So pretty simple install video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button. Leave a comment down below what you guys think or what you guys have used for your Bluetooth solutions. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys next time.